Welcome to Soul Haven. This meditation is designed to help you feel grounded, safe, and connected to the present moment. Find a comfortable position, either seated with your feet on the floor or lying down with your hands gently resting at your sides. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and exhale fully. Allow your body to soften with each breath. Begin by bringing your awareness to your body. Notice the points of contact between your body and the surface supporting you. Feel the weight of your body sinking down, held by the earth beneath you. Take another slow, deep breath in, and as you exhale, let your shoulders relax. Release any tension in your jaw. Unclench your hands. Soften your belly. With every exhale, imagine stress and tension melting away. Now, gently bring your focus to your breath. Inhale slowly through your nose and exhale softly through your mouth. Notice the rhythm of your breathing, steady, calm, and natural. With each inhale, imagine drawing in calm, nourishing energy. With each exhale, imagine releasing worry, tension, and heaviness. Let your breath guide you deeper into this moment. Bring your awareness to the base of your body, the parts touching the earth. Imagine roots gently growing from you, reaching deep into the soil. These roots spread wide and deep, connecting you with the strength and stability of the earth itself. With every inhale, feel energy rising up through your roots. Strong, grounding energy that flows into your body. With every exhale, release any anxiety, fear, or scattered thoughts, sending them down through your roots to be absorbed and transformed by the earth. Notice how supported you feel. You are safe. You are held, and you belong. If your mind begins to wander, gently bring it back to your breath and the image of your roots anchoring you to the earth. Now, silently or out loud, repeat these affirmations to yourself, letting them sink into your heart. I am grounded, safe, and present in this moment. The earth supports me in every breath I take. My mind is clear, my body is calm, my spirit is steady. I release what no longer serves me and welcome peace. I am rooted, centered, and connected to the flow of life. Take a moment to choose the affirmation that resonates most with you and repeat it gently as you breathe. Begin to bring your awareness back to your body. Feel the surface beneath you once again. Wiggle your fingers and toes, inviting gentle movement back into your body. take one last deep breath in, filling yourself with grounded energy, and exhale fully, releasing the last of any tension. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this sense of steadiness and calm with you as you move through the rest of your day. You are safe. You are supported. You are grounded.